A prayer meeting and discussion meeting was held in Pabna to seek the recovery of BNP chairperson Begum Khaleda Zia. The Holy Quran was also recited. The prayer meeting was held on Sunday after Asr at Al-Hajj Ard Ali Biswas Polytechnic Institute ground. Maulana Nur Muhammad conducted the prayer on the initiative of District Chhatra Dal Organising Secretary Saddam Hussain and presided over by District BNP's former Religious Affairs Secretary Salman Hussain. The meeting was attended by former Pabna District BNP Vice President AKM Musa, former Joint Secretary Chuchal Biswas, Abdul Halim Sajad, former Pabna Municipality BNP President Sabir Hussain Betchu, former General Secretary Shahidul Islam Lalu, former District Volunteer Party President Arif Chowdhury, District Chubo Dal Convener Haimal Rana, District Volunteer Party Member Secretary Kamal Sheikh Tintu, among others.
وتمم علينا بله قولي اللهم إنا من الخاسرين آخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار رب العالمين খোলা আকাশের নিচে জমিনের উপর কাঁদাবেন না আল্লাহ প্রত্যেকটা পরীক্ষায় আপনি পাস করাই দিবে